What's up? Hey guys, it's Ivan. In this video, I want to show you how to promote on Microsoft Ads using ClickMagick Campaigns. Make sure you watch my video on how to set up ClickMagick Campaigns before proceeding, because you have to do those first steps first. Now that being said, we have created our Google Ads link and we created our Facebook Ads link. So we're gonna go in here and just quickly create a Microsoft Ads link as well. So I'm just gonna copy this URL and click on go back. We don't even have to copy it. So the first thing we're gonna do, because we haven't already, is create our Microsoft Ads kind of link, okay, specific to Microsoft Ads. So the source here, we're gonna say Microsoft, click enter, or just select it. The medium is, in this case, it's going to be search because we're promoting on Microsoft Search. And the campaign name, for us, it was custom. We can just select that, custom keto diet. Now for the token, just like for Google Ads, if you saw that video, you can use a variety of topics or a variety of tokens. I'm gonna say keyword here, and then I'll explain that in a second. UTM content, so we will describe our ad here. So I will just put ad here, and then we're gonna go in and change that later on once we use it. So now we're gonna click save and copy. If we go to the URL manager, we have now our Facebook link here. We have our Microsoft or Google link here, and we have the Microsoft link right here. So we're gonna copy this. Let's go back into our Microsoft Ads account. And now we're gonna paste the link right here, okay? So you're simply gonna paste the completed link right into the final URL, okay? You don't need anything in the URL options, okay? So you can go in here, if you have anything, delete it. Click save. That is it, okay? So now, disregard the headline, like this doesn't relate to the actual offer, but I'm just telling you where to put this URL. So you're gonna put it right here, custom keto diet, okay? Now we have to change the ad up a bit, so make the ad relevant to whatever the ad actually says. So in this case, I don't know if we can put the pound sign, so I'll just say 1 free keto, it's like number 1, and then I'll say dash become, to let me know that this is the ad that says become a member, and the headline says number 1 free keto membership site, okay? So we've done that. Now for the token, so you can add a wide variety of tokens here. This is up to you. In this case, we've added the keyword token. To see a list of all the tokens, I will link to you this URL. Just go over here and click on this option here. And here's the list of all available tokens. Now the one we used is keyword, this one, or it's not even here. Yeah, but it's just keyword. So you don't have to worry about it saying default, just keyword is fine. Doesn't have to be caps or lowercase or title case, whatever. So what that's gonna return is, for this option here, we put it in the UTM term spot. So over here, instead of the keyword in squiggly brackets, it's going to return to us the actual value of the keyword. So if our keyword that triggered the ad was custom keto diet, it's gonna say custom keto diet right here. If the keyword was best diet for me, if that's an actual keyword that you have, it's gonna say best diet for me right here, okay? Now you don't have to use the keyword token. That'll just allow you to optimize your sales based on keywords, but you don't have to use keywords. So you can use any of these tokens. I suggest you stay away from any tokens with IDs though, like campaign ID, because that's gonna return a number for you like this, 2410. What does that number mean? Nothing unless you go into Microsoft Ads, fiddle with the columns, and add that column in, okay? Let me see if I have it here. Yeah, so I have the ad ID column, the campaign column, and I'd have to add by going to the campaigns. But you will see a number in your ClickMagick account. You'll see like a number. You don't want that, okay? So instead, what you should do is add the actual name, like campaign, for example. That's okay. That's gonna return the actual name of your campaign. Or instead of ad group ID, you want to say ad group, and that's going to return the actual name of your ad group as opposed to the ID of your ad group, okay? So that's the idea. That's how you want to do it. Go through these tokens. You can use them all anywhere you want to. So if we go back here, now I strongly suggest that you go through this button here, this option, and go through the best practices for using these parameters. But you don't want to add like a keyword token and then dash like ad ID. Because what that's gonna do, for tracking links, maybe it was okay, but for campaigns, it's just gonna make it look messy. Because when you go into your stats here, you're gonna see a bunch of these different dashes everywhere. Now these dashes are okay because it's one thing, right? We're not putting many. This is just the name of our title is custom keto diet. That's okay. But if you have a bunch of different things like a keyword dash, ad ID dash, whatever, makes it messy. But this is how you would do it. This is where you would put the ad. Just make sure that you don't have like like I mentioned, any crazy like ad ID values in there, okay? But that's it. That's how you promote your ClickMagick campaigns on Microsoft Ads. I will see you in the next video.